Hey guys, Cooper here, Diesel Power Products. We're in the shop today with our 2023 F250 Super Duty. We got some upgrades for it for the fuel system. As many of you know, that factory fuel filter that sits in the engine compartment is plastic, not really all that confidence inspiring, and is prone to cracking with heat and everything else. So Fleece came up with this blingin' billet aluminum replacement. Keys in the exact same way as the factory plastic one, but allows you to use this Donaldson filter, which on the flip side is only about 20 bucks. Super slick setup, covers 11 to 16, and then with the replacement of this one fitting for this other one is 17 and newer. So because we're installing it on our 2023, we're gonna go ahead and change that out and show you guys just how quick and easy it is to install this sucker. So the little filter housing is located right back here. The hardest part of this whole job is taking the lines off. Fleece has done an outstanding job of putting instructions for what year range and whatnot on how to release all the quick connects. As soon as you get those off, you just turn it. It's a quarter turn unit and pull it out. Just be careful because it is full of fuel. And then swap your filter over to the new housing and install. Got the extra fitting put on for the 17 and newer. Got the filter put on. I like to do these hand tight, as firm as you can go. I don't like to get crazy with wrenches and things like that on it because you got to be able to remove it at some point in time. And then we just go right back in with it. Boop, locked in, and then reconnect all the lines you removed. Don't forget to take the plastic covers off everything. Here's a little tip for you on the main supply line coming into that. When you go to pull it off, it's got two detents that you slide past to get it off. When you want to put it back on, you need to slide it in the locking mechanism in one click. Then it will slide on completely without any struggle, and then completely lock it once it is in place. So from here, like any fuel filter change, we're gonna go cycle the key a few times, listen to notice the change in tone with the fuel pump until it's primed, and then let it start and run it for a bit to clear out all the air that might be in the system. And that's that. I'm listening for the sound change in the fuel pump for when it cycles off so that I can cycle it back on for another go. Let's give it a go. And that's that. If you have any questions on what you saw today, check the link in the bio or visit our website, dieselpowerproducts.com.